Okay guys, here we are. This is Herpy with the unboxing video. This gecko came from Darling Geckos on Facebook. Thank you, Angela from Darling Geckos. You're getting ready to witness this opening with me. I have not peeked in here yet. It's my first time having an animal shipped, so I am worried about that. Darling Geckos. Heat pack is warm. It's not that cold out, but it's cool that it's still warm. There she is. Check her out. This is the Enigma Raptor. She looks okay. She has solid red. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this little girl in her enclosure. Subscribe my channel. That way you get notifications for new videos. The very next video I'll be posting is the introduction of this girl to her enclosure. She is a temp-sexed female Enigma Raptor, aka Nova, and she's a possible giant. Hoping to be able to feed her and get her on up in size as well. If you have any suggestions for names, leave those in the comments below. Stay tuned for the next vid.